Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 8th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2025. My friends, have I got a great salad recipe to share with y'all. We're going to make Snickers Apple Salad. And if y'all not familiar with Snickers Apple Salad, it is a popular dessert up in the Midwestern States, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Minnesota. It is made with vanilla pudding, Granny Smith apples, Snickers, and Cool Whip. But we're going to do my way. We're going to make a homemade pudding and homemade whipped cream. My friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. It is perfect for the fall season. You can serve it at your fall gatherings. And also Halloween's coming up. If you're hosting a Halloween party, you might want to make a double batch because it will run out in seconds. We are bringing the Midwest down south. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. Also check out my previous video, Pumpkin Spice Latte. I'll post a link to that down in the description box below. So grab your apples, your Snickers, and get your whipped cream ready, sugar, because we're about to make some Snickers Apple Salad magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our pudding. In my saucepan, I have my fire over medium-low heat, and this is a medium saucepan. We're going to add in 2 cups of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. Into our milk, we're going to add in 2/3 of a cup of white sugar, 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of table salt. Give it a whisk until it's well combined. And all we do is let it get hot. And as soon as it gets hot, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the milk mixture is nice and hot. You can see the steam. Over here in my bowl, I have 2 extra large eggs. We're going to take a ladle of the milk mixture, pour it into the eggs, and temper them so that way we don't get scrambled eggs. Give it a whisk. Alright, my friends, the eggs are nice and tempered. We are going to pour it into the milk mixture and whisk until it's well blended. We are going to let it cook until the mixture thickens. And as soon as it thickens, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the pudding is nice and thick. See? That looks great. So now I cut my fire off. There's a couple more things we got to add to it. 2 teaspoons, which is 2 cupfuls of pure vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Whisk both of those together until the butter melts. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the butter has melted. And it smells amazing. Love the smell of vanilla. So now we're about to pour it into my bowl and strainer. And straining the pudding will get rid of all the lumps. I'm going to use my spoon to help strain it faster. And as soon as I get through straining it, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through straining my pudding. Now we're going to cover it with plastic wrap. We're just going to cover the top of the pudding so that way it won't form a skin. Alrighty, so all we do now is place the pudding in the refrigerator and let it chill for 2 hours. While the pudding is chilling, let's make the whipped cream. In my large bowl of a stand mixer with the whip attachment and it's nice and cold, you can also use a large bowl with an electric hand mixer. We're going to add in 1 pint, which is 2 cups of cold heavy whipping cream. Into our heavy whipping cream, we're going to add in 1 cupful, which is a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 2 heaping tablespoons of powdered sugar that I sifted, or you can whisk it. Going to whip it on low first so that way it won't splatter all over the counter. Now I'm going to increase the speed to medium and we're going to let it whip until it reaches stiff white peaks, about 5 minutes. Alright, my friends, our whipped cream is done. See how nice and stiff that is? beautiful white peaks look like clouds. That looks great. So now I'm going to set this aside. Time to prep our apples and Snickers. On my cutting board, I have 5 regular size Snickers, and we're going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. Just like that. Alright, as soon as I get through cutting the rest of my Snickers, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through cutting my Snickers. Now we're going to set them aside. On my other cutting board, I have my apples. I'm using Granny Smith. You can use up to 3 to 5, and we're not going to peel them. Going to use them just like it is, so I'm going to core them using my apple cord. And we're going to cut them into bite-sized pieces just like we did the Snickers. Just like that. Alright, as soon as I get through dicing the rest of my apples, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through dicing my apples, and our pudding is nice and chilled. We are ready to assemble our salad. Alright, my friends, I've got my pudding right here, and I removed the plastic wrap. First, we're going to add in our whipped cream. And fold it in. Alrighty, our whipped cream is nice and folded in. Now we're going to add in our diced apples and diced Snickers. And fold them in. Oh, this looks so good. And it smells amazing. Apples, Snickers, whipped cream, pudding. Doesn't get any better than that. And that's it, my friends. Our salad is done. So all we do now is place it in the refrigerator and let it chill for 1 hour. And then it is ready to serve. I'll pour it into my serving bowl and we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I got my salad into my bowl. And there's a few more things we got to add to it. I reserved a little of the diced apples and Snickers. And we're going to put those right on top of the salad, like so. And this is optional, but I'm going to drizzle on a little caramel sauce. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Snickers Apple Salad. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. Creamy, decadent. I love that bite from the apples and the Snickers. They're nice and firm and has a great texture. The caramel sauce really took it to the next level. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Snickers Apple Salad, licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.